Human rights in the Philippines is in a very critical situation. We have a president that is a dictator, and we have a government that is creating anti-people policies. Meaning, it's actually how you can see right now, the policies are made to benefit the landed politicians and in the benefit of the foreign investors coming in. So, the people's struggle for their rights to land are not being answered by the government. And the people's right to redress their grievances are being curtailed by our own government because they do not want to listen to the dissent of the people. And because of that, they would rather create a law, create orders that would stifle the dissent by killing, harassing, threatening them, and even putting them in jail with fabricated cases. And those who are actually who become victims of this are the poor people, the community leaders, the human rights defenders, and even organizations helping the rural communities are also tagged as terrorists or sympathizers or supporters of the revolutionary movement. When in fact, what they're only doing is to help support the struggle of the people and to empower them to really voice out and forward their rights. So this is actually what is happening in the Philippines. And at the start of the Duterte government in 2016, there are already more than 30,000 people killed. Human rights defenders, lawyers, health workers, church workers, everyone who are campaigning against anti-people policies of the government.